I love cheesesteaks, but I just couldn't find one out here that just brought that Philly vibe out here, you know? So my business partner and I thought it'd be great if we went to Philly and met up with the guys out there, like Dino's and Pat's, and see how they really made a Philly cheesesteak. So they kind of taught us the ins and outs, you know, what bread to use, what meat to use, and we thought it'd be a cool idea to bring it out here to the people in LA.
Wow. Where can we find you?
You can find us on our social medias. We be posting where we're going to be at, like our Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can follow us at Phillyfornia with the number 1 at the end. And yeah, we'll be posting where we're going to be at every day.
Now, what would you say is your best seller?
Philly cheesesteak, hands down. Hold on. Oh, you ready to make a Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah!
All right, let's go on inside. Okay, now we're inside the truck. This is where the magic happens. First, we start off with our 2 most important things. It's gonna be our amoroso roll. This is the best bread to make Philly cheesesteaks. It's really hard to find out here. We have it shipped straight from Philadelphia out here. We ordered it Bolt. It's amazing. It's the best thing about it. And then we have our ribeye meat, which is very flavorful, tender. And then you have a little bit of marble, which gives the meat great flavor. So what you want to do first, we got to oil up the grill. So grab a little bit of this and toss it on there. Nice. Then we're going to spread it out. Where are our spatula? There you go. Nice, look at you, you're a pro. You've done this before. Alright, now let's grab our amoroso when that warms up a little. And we're going to roll it right here on a bun roller. We want to oil both sides of it, okay? Nice. I'm going to put it on there so it can warm up. Let's grab our ribeye meat and toss it on the grill. There you go. And then we're going to do a little salt and pepper to give it a little flavor, alright? Alright, that's good. And a little salt. You're professional. Got it? Nice. Oh, wow. I'm going to turn this over for you, okay, so it won't burn. And now here comes the fun part. We're gonna stack them, so you can just grab this, stack it on top, grab the other one, and we're gonna chop it up and break it up, okay? And then I'm gonna toss some onions on the grill for you. Warm these bad boys up. There you go, get it, beat it. Alright? Yeah. Got a little splash to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You want me to show you a cool technique?
Sure.
Alright. What I'm going to do is hit it up a little. Now you do put this flat down and just kind of pull at it. See, ribeye is so tender, it falls apart so easily.
Cool.
Look at that. Mix it up a little. And then we're going to grab our cheese, which is American. Alright, before we do that though, we want to make sure the cheese is nice and melted. So grab one of these steamers, put it on top, grab a little water, get some steam going down there, some heat. It's going to be magic. You're going to have nice melted cheese in here. Look at that. Alright, now let's put the bun on top. You ready?
Yeah.
Fast, no hesitation. We're going to put it over here. put it in. Don't be scared. This is nice. And then we're gonna grab these onions and sprinkle them on top. Look at that amazing Philly cheesesteak. We're gonna take a bite of that?
Yeah.
All right, now for the best part. We're gonna try it, all right? Cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
Thank you for coming out and cooking with us, food truck girl.
Hi, girl.
What?
Ooh.
What do you think?
It's good but really hot.
Just take off the grill. Nice and hot.